Hello everyone and welcome back to the video. In this video, we will take a look at how to fix the WhatsApp stickers not showing. So what can be done so that we can load our stickers once again. So before we continue, be sure to hit that like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you guys are updated or notified whenever we upload a new video. Now stay tuned and watch until the very end so you don't miss a single detail. So the first thing that we're going to do is go ahead and check if WhatsApp is up to date. So we're going to go into our Play Store, or if you have a Samsung device, you can go into your Galaxy Store. So whichever one you have installed WhatsApp in. So I'm going to go on Play Store right here, and then let's search for WhatsApp right there. And then if there is an update, you should be able to see the update button right here instead of open. So as you can see, we have our latest version of WhatsApp on our device. Now the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to be going into our settings and we're going to be resetting or clearing our cache. So let's go to our settings, go all the way down until we see the apps section. So let's click on this and then we're going to go search for WhatsApp. So we can click on this search right here and then type in WhatsApp right here. Now the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to be force stopping the app. So let's click on force stop on the bottom right and then click OK. And then we're going to go down until we see storage. Let's click on this and then clear data on the bottom right. So go ahead and click delete and then let's go back. Now if you go back up, you can see in our permissions, everything has been removed now because we have deleted our storage information. So let's go on permissions right here and then go ahead and allow all of the different permissions that you want to work. So this can be, photos and videos, microphone, music and audio, camera, contacts, all of that. And then we're going to go into our WhatsApp right here. And this will set up everything once again. Agree and continue. And now we need to log back into our account. Now once that you have logged in back to your WhatsApp, let's go ahead and go into one of our messages. And then let's try out our sticker. So to access our sticker, we just need to click on the emoji on the bottom left right here. This will allow us to access our keyboard right here. So this is the emojis. And you have these and you have your stickers as well. And then as you can see, I have been able to load up all of the different stickers that I'm using. If you want to go ahead and add more, you can just click on the plus right here and then go ahead and select the stickers. So for example, we'll choose this one right here and then you should be able to see them right here on your stickers. Now let's go ahead and test this out. So just go ahead and select a sticker. And as you can see, we've been able to send that sticker. Let's go ahead and test another one right here. This one and this one right here. And there you go. We've been able to fix the sticker problem.